This morning, this is the message of God uh, by encountering God's heart this morning. This is what the message of God says. God's desire is that we be like Him and be filled with all that He is. As we perceive His thoughts, feel, we can see from His perspective. Again, as we perceive His thoughts, we can see from His perspective. As we fill up on His love, we have a well of kindness and compassion to offer others. When we become like God in our choices and actions, we reflect His likeness in our lives. When we meditate on His character, we learn to value what He values. God is like the sun, and we are like stars reflecting His light. We don't need to produce our own light. Rather, we shine because the brightness of the sun reaches out toward us. The more we turn to Him, the brighter we sparkle. The more we look to Him in all that we do, the more we receive from the outpouring of His glory. He is our source. Bright morning star, I want to reflect your likeness in my life. As I turn to you, reveal the glory of your character more and more. I want to be filled with your love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, and justice. Shine bright from my life. In Ephesians chapter 5, verse 1, it says, be imitators of God in everything you do, for then you will represent your Father on His beloved sons and daughter. People of God, uh, praying that you have heard the message of God this morning. This is your Pastora ng Masa, Pastora Dory, saying, God loves everyone.